Food technology is changing at a rapid pace. As the population grows across the world, as people's tastes change, there's going to be places for niche markets in there. And that gene editing, it's sort of niche right now, but it'll go mainstream.
Gene editing is the next generation of plant breeding. It takes breeding from 15 years down to about 5 years. All we're doing is what Mother Nature does, but just accelerated because we know exactly what we want. We rely on the plant's natural machinery to make these edits for us. So gene editing is like molecular scissors. We can go into a soybean genome. We can read all these instructions, and right here it says make low-oleic soybean oil. Well, we're just gonna take out the letters that spell low. So we make a scissors that's very precise, and it only goes to this one spot in the genome, and it will cut. And then you have a soybean that grows up, and it makes high-oleic soybean oil. My generation's looking for healthy food ingredients, and they want those options. Because of the trans fat ban, we lost about 9 billion pounds of soybean oil demand. And with this technology, we've increased the heart-healthy fats and we've reduced the bad fats like saturated fats. So if you're able to bring market share back to soybeans in any way, whether it's high-oleic or commodity soybeans, bringing more desire is gonna increase price on your grain.
Anytime there's a technology that's out there that we think will help farmers be more profitable, we want to help take that product to market. We have a full data set that shows how varieties are performing. And now you introduce a brand new variety like this, you can get really good information on how this variety performs much faster than you could if you were looking at it on your specific farm.
Calyxt beans seem to be responding exactly the same as the other beans on our operation. Visually, I can't tell any difference between them. If anything, they look a little healthier. I look at a lot of different data points. I trust the data I get off of my own farm the most, but not completely. I know there's still variability on my operation.
And with Calyxt, we're going to have data that farmers will be able to look at and make an informed decision as they decide to grow this crop in future years.
Working with FBN, we're able to find those growers that want to grow our beans and understand what it takes to grow them.
We take a look at revenue per acre. Did the due diligence on it, took a look at the agronomy part. I talked with them on the marketing part. We took a look at the pros and cons, what we could expect to raise the beans, what would we have to do different, what were they vulnerable to, and we thought they'd fit the operation.
The premiums that are in the production contract with the Calyxt beans can make the difference of a profit or a loss.
These growers that grew for us, they're the first growers that have ever grown a gene-edited product. These guys are actually helping us build a company.
The really exciting thing about gene editing is that it's allowing new companies like Calyxt to bring something to the market in 5-7 years and really lower that production cost, which is going to bring more competition to the market and help farmers be more profitable.